y'all know about that, man? What y'all know about that, man? Sports shooting. I've been out there popping the AK, though, I ain't gonna lie. Man, we hit that motherfucker. Hey, this your boy GunMane shooting at you with another video. Hey, for some reason they said they took down my live. They said something about some copywritten stuff, but y'all see I'm out here at the range. Ain't no music playing, so I don't know why they did that. I just appealed it or whatever to get that back on there, but I can't even go live. That was my first time going live, so hopefully they fixed that. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna keep doing what I came here to do. Load up these magazines and you know, do my thing. So I'm gonna be using this up Lula. A little hot out here. But yeah, man, they played your boy. Hey, and just for the record, I'm not a policeman. Calm down. Ain't nothing wrong with police, but I'm not one, so calm down, man. Calm down. Yeah, I was on live calling me 5-0, man. Not at all. Wouldn't mind, though. Wouldn't mind pulling one of y'all over and letting y'all go with a warning. So this is the up looper in action. See how easy that is to load that up. Yeah, they did me a little petty on that one, man. They say I can't go live, I guess, until that get resolved, but I never seen nothing like that before. You go live and then within 4 minutes, you know, they say copyright infringement. How the hell? How's there a copyright infringement on the video? Ain't no music, you know what I'm saying, playing or nothing like that. It's all good, though. We back at it. Yep. So I'm not a police, but I am military. U.S. National Guard, that's me. That's your boy. Big Army. Try to make sure. Hey, I noticed we had a couple people from Mexico in the comments when I went live. Hey, shout out to Mexico, man. Shout out to Mexico, man. I definitely welcome my Mexican brothers. Most definitely. So anyways, for my people out there who just are getting into shooting, it's all about breathing, trigger pull, and having a nice grip. Definitely trigger control. A lot of things go into play when shooting and everything. Just something to think about. I am shooting Blazer ammunition. It's 50 in there. I got these for like 20 a pop. It's brass. And 124 grain, 4 magazine. About to get ready to rain in a minute, so I ain't gonna be out here long. Just getting some reps in, you know. Got to keep that trigger finger, you know what I'm saying, active, you know what I mean? Keep your skills up, always polish your skills. Never know when you'll need them in a gunfight. This mug right here, man, makes life way easier. I'm telling you. Way easier. on that last shot, I anticipated the recoil, so it was a little dip like that in the shot. Trying to work on that, get better at it. Yeah, man, it's pretty hot out here today. Pretty hot. Got my last 10 rounds right here that I'm gonna shoot today. So, one thing y'all can do, if you don't know if you got a round in the chamber or not, if you, let's say you grabbing a gun out the house that, you ain't shot in a while, or, you changing your daily firearm to another firearm that you keep loaded. The press check, you just lean it back a little bit. You look on in there, and make sure you either see a round or don't see a round. If you see a round, you got one in the head. If you don't see a round, then you need to go ahead and rack that slide back, put one in there. Right. These are my last 10 rounds, so yeah, I'm probably finna shoot these like old time. Yo, some gangster shit. You know what I'm saying? We'll teach y'all how to do that one day when you get a little older. Anyway, back to what I was asking y'all earlier. Where y'all from, man? I got my people down in Mexico. They gave me shout outs. I appreciate that there. I'm from East St. Louis, Illinois. Y'all drop y'all cities down and I'll give y'all a shout out, man. I can tell y'all one thing. I rock with Fort Worth, Texas. Yeah. Got some homies down there. I rock with y'all. Guess I'm gonna put all this up. Damn, it's hot. It's about to rain. I need to be up out of here before all of that. That's what I do, man. Those are targets. Put these up for another time. Up low. Yeah, I gotta get y'all one, man. Up Lula. Gotta get one. Really, but like I say, if you're having problems loading up your firearm, can't get those last ones in there, go ahead and get that Up Lula. Still got these. I'm having them put up for another time. Jack these up. Now get ready to leave. These going down. So yeah, man, had fun out there shooting and everything. Now it's time to go back to the crib. So yeah, man, if y'all got any recommendations, what's the best Glock? What kind of Glock should I be shooting? Just let me know. I'll take that into consideration, maybe feature it in the next video. It's your boy GunMane now.